Have you thought about finally getting rid of that lease and buying your first home in 2022? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, and here's 8 steps in purchasing your home this year. First, take a deep breath and remind yourself you can do this. It is one step at a time. 2, check your credit card and avoid any major purchases, as that will change your debt to income ratio for your pre-approval. 3, estimate how much of a house you can afford, taking into consideration the lifestyle in addition to your mortgage payment that you want to have each month. 4, decide on your down payment and locate those funds so when you talk to a lender, you can give them all the information needed. Number 5, get a feel for neighborhoods and areas of Kansas City that you like. Make sure you have a professional realtor working with you who also knows those neighborhoods so the features and amenities match what you're looking for. Number 6, make a list of non-negotiables. So in an emotional moment of selecting a house, you still have those key things that you really want in your new home. Number 7, get pre-approved before you even start looking at homes so you have the best opportunity in getting an accepted offer. And number 8, interview agents and choose the one that's best for you in knowing the area you're going to purchase, experience and understanding the current market you're working in, and has a relationship that you will enjoy working with while they represent you in finding your new home. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love to meet with you as well. Your home search will be smooth sailing if you're prepared and have someone who is a professional and knows the current housing market, helping you negotiate the terms through along the way. We're here for you, so comment below if you have a question or call today at 913-449-1950. We're here to assist you whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or even a year before you're considering purchasing your home.